Hey, my EC4G family. I wanted to hop on real quick. I was in the middle of doing worship and praise with God, listening to my gospel music, and I wanted to stop real quick because I was thinking we are constantly giving God, as we should, giving God praise for things that He has done for us, ways that He has blessed us. We're also constantly praying to Him for things that we need assistance with or that we would want from Him. We are constantly going to Him with both, and we should. But I also want to take time to remember to just not only praise and pray, but also acknowledge. Acknowledge Him for exactly who He is outside of what He does for you, just for who He is. A lot of parents, in particular, I'm speaking for myself, mothers, feel appreciated and feel like the only time that we're really wanted is for what we do for you. And you forget who we are as a person. So I'm saying God wants the same thing. Acknowledge Him for who He is.